In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the subject line when forwarding emails in Gmail. This can be a handy technique when you want to draw attention to a specific part of an email or just need to clarify the subject matter for the recipient. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together, ensuring you can manage your emails with efficiency and ease. To start, you'll want to open your internet browser and navigate to Gmail. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Gmail dashboard, which displays all your emails. Locate the email that you wish to forward with a modified subject line. Click on the email to open it. Once the email is open, you'll see several options at the top or bottom, depending on your settings. Look for the small arrow pointing to the right or 3 vertical dots that usually represent more options. By clicking on this, you will be able to select the forward option. Now, this is where we get into the crux of our task. After selecting forward, a new email draft will appear. Within this draft is where the magic happens. Towards the top of this draft email, you'll see the current subject line. Here's the key. You can click directly into this subject line area. Simply backspace or delete the existing text, and then type in your desired new subject. It's a simple step, yet very effective. With your new subject line in place, make sure to fill out the email address of your recipient. If you like, you can also add any additional information or context within the body of the email to further clarify the message of your forwarded email. Remember, communication is key. Before you hit send, take a moment to review your newly edited email. It's essential to ensure that all information is accurate, the subject line is as you intended, and that you've addressed all desired recipients. Typos in the subject can sometimes lead to misunderstandings or miscommunications, so a quick double check can save time afterwards. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click the send button. And there you have it. You've successfully forwarded an email with an edited subject line. This user-friendly feature in Gmail not only helps to personalize your messages, but also enhances the clarity for both you and your recipient. Thanks for tuning into today's guide. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your email communications with ease. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to make the most of your digital tools.